How does Metatrader 4 work? Yes, you can make millions like professionals by dealing in the options trade. You have to take technical analysis reports and charting data from the experts and get well versed with the movement pattern of a particular option in the underlying stock. The data would be analyzed well and a trading advice will be given as and when a buy signal emerges. A buy signal will be usually given after an option breaks the immediate resistance levels comfortably and trades above the resistance level for quite some time. Depending upon whether the underlying stock is bullish or bearish, the experts will give an advice to buy a call option or a put option. There are several complications involved here. Even if a stock is firmly established to be moving in a bullish pattern and a decision has been made to buy a call option, there are at least 10 strike prices for a call option and at least 5 expiry periods for any strike price at which you enter into a contract to buy an option. Sometimes it may be prudent to buy in the money contract without taking much of a risk. Sometimes when you are very sure of the movements of the stock, you can even buy an out of the money contract where you will have to shell out only a small amount. If your guess is right, you will be drenched in gold by the time the option expires. Even if things behave exactly in the opposite way against all your calculations, you will not lose much as you have invested only a small amount on the call option. Sometimes intraday variations give you a 200% returns, and truly phenomenal returns can be had by the time the option expires. There is no other business in the world that gives you such returns. Now that you are assured of good returns in the options dealings, you should arm yourself with sufficient knowledge. You will get a market analysis on a daily basis, including the technical analysis for the options, and recommendation follow-ups also will reach you in correct time. If an option begins to perform in the reverse direction, an emergency exit call is given so that you can cut your position with a small loss. You can learn as a trainer from A.J. Brown even the trick of selling a put or call option in the market. This is a highly risky proposition, no doubt, but tons of money can be made in this route by those with a brave heart. But every sell or buy should be done after getting a clear trading signal, as otherwise the whole exercise could end in a catastrophe.